Probridhi Apparels Limited, an iconic sweater factory on the global stage, architects itself with the new millennium sustainability and excellence. A Bangladesh-Hong Kong joint venture, Probridhi started its journey back in November 2014 as a 100% export-oriented project to contribute to strengthening the economic base of the country. Situated at Mauna, Gazipur, its factory premise is self-sufficient with the necessary utilities like water treatment plant, power backup system and effluent treatment plant. Probridhi has very carefully and purposefully developed its product design and development capacity to be one of the best in the industry. It has developed its merchandising unit too to excel in the same way. And so, by being able to have excellent presentation samples in the quickest possible time, its clients find negotiation of order is quite a pleasant experience with Probridhi. Probridhi has all of the contemporarily sweater knitting and auto jacquard machines necessary. On a floor space of 185,000 square feet, it has been efficiently producing about 300,000 pieces of quality sweaters and pullovers every month. Its finishing machinery and equipment too conform to the same technological excellence that helps ensure the optimum efficiency. The quality commitment exercised throughout its entire production processes is as high as AQL 1.5 in the end. Probridhi's product range covers all kinds of sweaters and pullovers in all of casual and fashion categories for ladies, for men and for the children. Probridhi mainly exports to the markets in Europe. Considered in country-wise export, UK and Germany have been at the top of the list ever since. The clientele portfolio of Probridhi is studded with the globally reputed names like M&S, Okaidi, Jules, Orsay, Reitmans, River Island and Topman. The average yearly export of Probridhi has been worth about $20 million successively. About 2,500 employees are now working with Probridhi. For them, BSCI, SEDEX, ICS, RCS and Accord certified Probridhi ensures all of the required compliance standards conforming to the law of the land, ILO convention and the buyer's requirements. They all find Probridhi as their second home that promises happiness, security and prosperity. The corporate management of Probridhi too is quite efficient and competent to successfully understand and meet the global challenges of today and tomorrow in the most sustainable way. Yes, Probridhi is a noble industrial mission of development committed to sustaining win-win relations through united efforts with all of its partners linked in the value chain it operates with.